Ever sat down to script a video and then boom, your brain goes on a vacation? Yeah, same here. But I found a cheat code, ChatGPT. Let me show you how I create engaging scripts using ChatGPT. Now I know what you're thinking. Won't AI make me sound like a robot? No. If used right, ChatGPT actually makes scripting faster and natural. In this video, I'll show you how I use ChatGPT to plan, structure, and script my videos like a pro, even though I'm still trying to figure this YouTube thing out. Step 1. Get video ideas first. First thing first, what is the video you're making about? If you're stuck and you don't know what to do or how to get a topic, just ask ChatGPT to help you generate a topic that can be used for your video or that would suit the video you're about making. No more sitting and wondering what to do. Just pick one and let's move on. Now let's talk structure. Every good video has a format that it follows. A very simple format. We have the hook. You use the hook to grab the attention of the viewers. Alright? We have the introduction. You tell your viewers what they'll be learning from that video. The main content, what your video is about. And then your call to action, what you want them to do after or while watching your video. Let's check ChatGPT to write a script for us on how to create a YouTube channel using the hook, the intro, the main content, and the call to action as we earlier mentioned in our format. And just like that, you have a full script. But hold up, we are not done. Step 3. Make it sound like you. Now this is where people mess up. They copy and paste without tweaking it. AI is just a tool and not a replacement for your voice. Now let's tweak this video. Let's ask ChatGPT to make the script more relatable, conversational, fun, and engaging, just like two friends having a conversation. Now this is what I'm talking about. Feels like me now. Feel free to add your own tweaks if you want. Always ensure that after ChatGPT has finished writing, you go through it. You can actually check for errors. It's an AI, it's not perfect. You can check for errors, add your own tweaks, add whatever you want to add, remove whatever you want to remove, and there you have your script perfectly written for you. Step 4. Add engagements. YouTube is all about keeping people watching, so make sure your script includes questions, CTAs, pauses, and sound effects, even dramatic pauses. Make sure your script includes questions. Questions like, what do you think about this? Have you tried this before? While for CTAs actually means call to action. Call to action, like what you want your viewers to do, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Right now I'm telling ChatGPT to add some prompts to my video, like engagement and CTAs. And there you have it, a full YouTube script in minutes using ChatGPT. If this helped, type ChatGPT Master in the comment. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginners-friendly YouTube tips. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one.